So this is, I'm going to show you my app. It's a double staff simulator. It helps you visualize and see the patterns that double staff can make, and learn new ones, find out what old ones are called, maybe learn the framework surrounding double staff just at like a physics level, I guess. You can control both staffs at once. You can preload a pattern that I've already made, or you can control the staffs individually as well. Now, you may not remember me from such double staff videos as all of the old ones back in the day. My original simulations were on Premiere Pro, if you can believe it, a video editor. I think I then moved on to making a couple on After Effects, but they were more just like fancy schmancy things. And then I built another simulator in Java, and then finally I've made this one. I've got a few great ideas for add-ons once I get the chance to make them. 3D, possibly augmented reality as well, and kinematic arms so that you can see what the arms would do for the patterns that you make on screen. So I've been doing double staff a long time, and I hope this will help some people.